Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's agenda is to install Python. The editor comes with it. So when you're watching this video, please listen carefully and do not miss any steps so you can get the right output. Right? And if you don't know why I'm doing this, then please watch my previous video so you know that why I'm installing Python and why did I start this channel. And subscribe my channel and like the button, and please follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. So guys, let's get started. There are few steps to downloading Python editor. So the first step is check that if you're on the desktop of your computer or not, or like home screen of the computer. So you Python should not be downloaded in your computer, but like if you did it, then when you like type Python here, you should see it. So this is from my past, so ignore it. Just imagine that there's nothing here. If you did not download Python, then when you type Python here, you should see nothing. But in order to download it, there are few steps to it. So the first thing is to go to a browser. I am using Chrome because I think Chrome is better and I will use Chrome throughout this series. But if you like Mozilla Firefox or if you prefer Microsoft Edge, then definitely use it. But I think Chrome is better for me. Everybody have their own choices, so I will not interfere with that. When you come here, go to Google. When you come to this screen, just simply type download Python. Then when you see this title download Python, python.org, or the website python.org downloads, you want to click on it. Yes, you could download Python through other websites too, as you see here. See different website, but I for my opinion, I think using the official website is a lot better, and I would say a lot safe. But as already told you, everybody has their own choices. So if you do not see this screen, then it's probably that you are not in the Python tab. You might be somewhere over here. Let me just go back. No, you might be in this tab or some other tab. You just click on Python and check if you are on Python. Then click on downloads. And when you see the screen, that means you're on the correct screen and you have done all the steps correctly. So for me, the latest version is 3.9.0. But if you're watching this video in future, then your version might be later than mine. It can be like 4 point something. So don't worry about it. Just download the latest version because you might even get to use some latest feature and some more features than my version. 3.9 was released in October 5, 2020. That's like 20 days ago for me. You want to click on that. So I just want to tell you that I'm using Windows, but if you're using Linux or Mac, then don't worry. The downloading process is same for every system. It might be like slightly different, but don't worry about it. Click on it. You should see this. So since my computer is faster, then it's like already downloaded, but your computer might be slow, then it might take a while. So just wait just you will have to wait, and when you are done you should get this. Then you want to locate the downloaded copy of Python on your system, which is this. Then double click on the installation file. So you will come to this screen. So now you want to check that this install launcher for all users is checked. The reason is using a personalized installation can make it easier to manage systems that have multiple users. In some cases, the personalized installation also reduces the number of security warning dialog boxes you see. Then when you see this add Python 3.9 to path, click check that also. The reason is adding this setting enables you to access Python from anywhere on your hard drive. But if you did not select this setting, you must annually add Python to the path later on. So I would recommend checking this box. So now the second step, another step is to click on customize installation. Click on it. You should see this screen, and you want to check that each and every box is checked. And when you see that, click next. You will get this advanced options. You just want to check that these three are selected: associate files with Python, create shortcuts for installed applications, and add Python to environment variables. You just want to like check all three are correct, and you want to just click and locate your customer's install location. Just where you want to put it. I will like change mine a little bit. So I will go to mine. Maybe I'll just probably rename it. I will say Python 3.9 customization. Okay, I will click OK. So now I will click on install. But before that, you also want to check this install for all users. Note that selecting this option automatically selects the pre-compiled standard library option, which you should keep selected. So then, if also I'm just going to recover, type your destination, like the location of your folder. I mean this customers install location, because it is necessary. Then when you're done with all of the steps, please re-watch this part if you did not, if you miss anything, because if you like miss even like one step, then when we like start coding and when you're not able to do something, then I will tell you that it's your mistake, that you do not follow these steps. So if you got the result when coding, if you get a result like a different result, or if you get an error message, and then the problem is that you made a mistake or missed a step during the installation process. So no, just to be careful, recheck if everything is correct or not, and if everything is correct, click install. Yes. So you might get this message: do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I will say yes. You also should say yes. So now they will take now setup progress will start, but it will take like a long time. So I will skip this part so you don't have like wait here watching me watching the progress. So I will. So if the setup process was successful, then you should see the screen setup was successful. So guys, now the Python is installed. And the last step is to check that it does it works or not. So click close. I will exit out. Then you go the same place as in the beginning and type Python. So and I type Python 3.9, and as you see here, it is downloaded. You want to click on open, and you will get the screen. Just make it full screen. And to check if this is working or not, I will just do some mathematics. Let's say 2 plus 3, and it's 5. You see, we get the answer. Now I will do 4 times 2, 8. Yes, it's working. 4 minus 4, 0. Yes, it's working. And I'm going to just type some Python. Just don't worry about it if you don't understand. I just want to check if Python is working or not. Let's see, it's working. So I see that Python is working. So the installation process was successful. Everything was done correctly. Because see, as you see, everything is written and the answers are correct. So guys, that's all for today. Python editor installation was successful if you followed all the steps correctly. And also I would remind you that please rewatch this video if you did not if you did not understand any part of this video, and if you have any questions that was not answered in this video, please do comment down below or contact me and I will definitely answer your questions as soon as possible. And do hit that like button if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you feel like it. And please help me support reach 1000 subscribers, my very first 1000 subscribers. And please do tell me in the comments that if you want to see a tutorial on how to download Python in Mac or and on Linux. And if I say that if so many people are asking me to do it, then I will definitely make a tutorial on it. So I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Have a good day.